With the sling label facing outwards, slide the sling fully down the back of the patient. Take one leg section, place down the side and gently glide it fully under the thigh. Ensure that it is not twisted. Repeat the other side. Connect the leg sections together using the modesty strap. Thread the inner loop through the modesty strap on the opposite leg section. This will help prevent the legs from abducting. Take the hoisting straps on the outside of each leg section and thread through the inner leg loops. Attach both of the shoulder tapes to the hoist. Use the appropriate corresponding coloured loops for the required position. If hip tapes are supplied, ensure that they are securely attached. Adjust using the stainless steel slider to the required position. Attach the webbing loop to the hoist. The hip tape should pick up the pelvic area and the legs simultaneously. If the sling is supplied with head support tapes, feed them through the shoulder tapes and back through the slider. Adjust to the required position using the slider. Attach the shoulder tape securely to the hoist. If waist or chest support is fitted, ensure that this is secured around the patient prior to the start of the transfer. Fasten the clunk clip buckle and adjust firmly using the webbing strap. Attach all the remaining tapes to the hoist. Ensure that they are not twisted and or secure before commencing the transfer. For more information, please visit our website www.silvalea.com.